Question number 7. A curve has equation y equal to x cos x. Find dy by dx. So you can see that there are two functions here. So when two functions are multiplied with each other, we use product rule. So whenever it is a product rule, I will like to do some homework. So first function is u is x, and u prime is 1. Second function is v equal to cos x, and its prime is going to be negative sin x, right? So now dy by dx is going to be u negative u v prime plus v u prime. So this is the answer. Then find the equation of the normal to the curve. Okay, normal. So let me explain what is normal. For example, this is our, let's say this is our curve. So at x equal to pi, let's say this is x equal to pi. So at this point, there is a tangent, and a perpendicular line to the tangent at x equal to pi is called normal. Okay, so basically, we need to find gradient dy by dx at x equal to pi. So we have to find when x equal to pi, what is dy by dx, right? So it's going to be negative pi sine pi plus cos pi, right? So this gives me a negative 1. Let us see why it's a negative 1. What is sine pi? Sin pi is a 0. We know that sine pi is a 0, and anything times 0 is a 0, and cos pi is negative 1, right? So that's why our dy by dx at x equal to pi is negative 1, right? So now gradient of normal, because gradient of normal, which is perpendicular line, is going to be a 1, because we know that m1 times m2 is going to be negative 1. So the gradient of normal is 1. And now we need to also find, since we all only have x equal to pi, we also need to find what is y equal to. So let me write here, when x equal to pi, y equal to, what is the equation here? Okay, y equal to pi cos pi. So which is going to be a, because cos pi is a negative 1, so this is going to be a negative. So now our equation of the normal is going to be y equal to mx plus c, right? So I'm going to substitute x and y and gradient and find c. So y is negative pi is equal to x equal to a pi, and its gradient is 1 plus c. So c equal to negative pi minus pi. So c equal to negative 2 pi. So therefore the the equation of normal is going to be y equal to x minus 2 pi. So this is going to be our equation of the normal. Hope you understand this question. See you in the, oh, we still have part C. Okay. Using your values, using your answer to part A, find the exact value of x sine x dx. X sine x dx. X sine x dx. Okay, so basically, I think we will do this part in the next video because it is getting too long. Okay, so I will see you in the next video.